It is very strange when we look around us and we see the developments, especially the old age people of my age bracket are more on 60, 60 plus, if you just see. They are very much astonished and they are worried that how fastly and quickly the world around them is changing. They are around. Even the vocabulary is very fastly changing. It is happening more in the developing countries where the culture thread is badly affected. That is badly affected. Reason being that in these countries they are adopting English mostly as a language, and it is prevailing over their life. In their day-to-day life, even when they talk to each other, they are using English word. And I have seen in some cases that the children, they would be talking in English. Now, when you adopt a language, then definitely, knowingly or unknowingly, you adopt its culture as well. Good or bad, whatsoever, irrespective, you adopt the culture. Now, let's take example that in East, when we see that where the languages are other than English, like Urdu, Punjabi, Sindhi, etc., you see that we have typical titles for the relation, like if someone is my mother's sister's child, and that is my khala's child. I'll be saying my khalazad brother, bhai hai ya mamuzad bhai hai, phupizad, tayazad, chachazad, इस तरह हम भाई कहते हैं या बहन कहते हैं उसमें. लेकिन इंग्लिश ने अजीब सूरत हाल पैदा कर दी है that we call each individual a cousin. Now we are unable to identify. It is being misused as well. This word is being misused, that you introduce a person who is not relative to you, you say cousin, and the things are hushed up. So you just see that the sanctity of the relations. Now you say uncle only, and it is not understood whether the relation is from your father's side or from mother's side. Uncle and uncle is a common word which is being adopted. Now you just see the effects are very severe, and it is damaging the culture of these Eastern countries as well. We need to seriously think upon and at least make some conscious effort where we should introduce into or inculcate into our children that they should, when talking of some relative, then should use the cultural titles, right? Cultural title, right? Chacha, Taya, Mamu, like Khalazad, Mamuzad, right? This is maternal or brother, etc. You can use that. When you use that, then the sanctity prevails. Sanctity prevails. Our respect comes into our mind. Otherwise, it does not spring into our minds. The respect dilutes that, because the things which become common, they lose their fantasy, their importance. So the word like cousin and uncle, it is given to every individual, therefore it has lost its sanctity or respect in our society and is being misused. So but I'll suggest that the people from East, they should teach their children and themselves as well that they should use the title for relations as is prevailed in their culture, so that respect restores and the society comes back to its natural parameters. Because when you adopt one thing, then definitely it will follow with the other as well.